South-Face Park ride together, kid. Hey? Go on, you. Let's see how he's getting on back there. Oh! How you getting on, young Steve? How you getting on, lad? Hey? Enjoying it? You see, because my fat bum. Go on, Eve. Woo! Steve-o! You see? Go on, Eve. Absolutely loving it. Go on, young Steve. Go on, Steve. Go on, yes. I think he's been fed up and then try and get him smile on a photo, but they had one earlier. But we'll get there, won't we, Steve, lad? Hey? We'll get there. Where are you? Hey? Should we get there? Come on, yes. Back in the park now, son, aren't we? How was that? How was that, lad? First little one. Not too bad. Going a bigger one next couple of days. Go on, Steve-o. Hey, yeah? Had a little stop off at the park. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it, Steve, lad? Hey? Mark's over there. Go on, son. Go on, yes. I love you, mate. I love you. I love you. Go on, son. And we're back. Aren't we, Steve? We're back, youth. Hey? How was that? Hey! Straight, try and get up the stairs straight away. No. Get down here, you. How was that? How was that, you? Mwah. Nah. Go on, son.